Hi, today we are building self-watering planter boxes. For this you will need 6 2x6s cut at 33 inches, 6 2x6s cut at 72 inches, 10 2x2s cut at 16.5 inches, 4 2x4s cut at 33 inches, and 5 decking boards cut at 66 1/4 inches. You will also need 2 2.5 screws, 3-inch screws, and 2-inch screws. To start, we are going to start by building. You're going to take your 33-inch 2x6s and attach 3 of your 16.5 2x2s together to form one end. You will do this twice to eventually end up creating 2 ends. As we're going to take 3 of the 72-inch 2x6s, and we're going to take 2 of the 2x2s, and we're going to attach them together after drilling pilot holes for them. I recommend using clamps to help hold your boards together. Alright, next step is we are joining the sides and the ends together. We're using clamps to hold them together, and we are using box joints with 3-inch screws to attach them. Next step, now that we have the outside frame built, we are going to take our 2x4s and we are going to attach them on the ground level inside of our planter box. We are using 2 screws for every board from the outside to add additional stability and bring the box in together for more support. The last part of building the frame is you're going to take your 5 decking boards and leg them over your 2x4s, and you're going to screw them in using 2-inch screws. Now that we have built the frame, we're going to put pond liner in to cover the inside of the frame. We're going to staple the pond liner at the top. The next step is you're going to take perforated drain pipe and cut it to fit the frame of your box. You are then going to take soil, if you have some, and put enough in to hold the pipes in place and slightly cover them. The next step is to take a PVC pipe and cut it a few inches above the frame. You're then going to create a hole in your perforated drain pipe so it will fit inside in one corner. On the opposite corner, on the opposite side, you're going to take your filled tube and create a hole in your frame to run it through the frame, and then cut another hole in your perforated drain pipe to stick it in. So then when you fill up your fill tube, it'll run all the way through and tell you when it's full. Afterwards, you will take landscaping fabric and cover the pipes and fill the rest of it with potting with soil. The last part is you're going to take 2x4s and cut to fit and make a little lip that covers the outer edge and the 2x2s. And that will go all the way around.